Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Well, today, finally happening, I'm going to do a Nokia N900. Well, I already have one that's brain dead unfortunately, but this one is working. So I'm gonna do the old switcheroo and take the body shell from this one for this one and make a good functioning one. Well, even on this one the touchscreen is a bit scratched. A lot scratched, but still looks better than this one. So let's begin. Also, please feel free to give a like and subscribe. And here they are. Is this one still locked? Oh, alright. So let's not waste any more time and get into it. You know what would be awesome? If this thing was just a protective screen. But I don't think it is. And this is a... yeah, still sensitive touchscreen, not a glass touchscreen. Switch off. I'm gonna put this aside for now. This thing, it's I don't know what I think it's snapped something inside, but anyway, I'm not gonna put this back. Take the battery. So this is the 32 gigs, this one as well. 32 gigs, good. So we have two types of screws. This was already loosened, but whatever. Since I'm at the unscrewing part. Oh, it's already falling apart, good. Easy. Here's the connector. Let me guess, other two screws here. Yeah, called it. Pretty heavy. This one is easy. Easy. This one is light. Sorry. Maths. The keyboard. QWERTY keyboard, that is. Pretty dirty. Oh, it's a stereo, nice. And what's that thing that just fell? Oh, the antenna. Well, the bottom antenna. Well, here's a problem. This is the email. Removable? Of course not. I'll have to unstick it. That's the least of my concerns. So here's the main board, up close and personal. Honestly, I'm not gonna take anything from it since I already have that one, so nope. However, since we are already at the teardown business, let's see what's on the top. Idea in case you have one and want to tear it down, you don't know what to do. So either way, you have to take off the back part if you want to get in the front. Wait, other screws? Oh yeah, here are the two other screws. I got tricked. 3 sets. Yikes. Alright, now it's coming off easy. 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 Kill. Oh, there's a touchscreen. What the? What kind of a connector is this? Can you believe this connector type? 1 and 2. Here is the slide mechanism with the camera and the light sensor. Well, this is the front-facing camera actually, but you got it. And here's the earpiece. Here. Okay. And the display is also removable. Yeah, and easy to snap. Oh, here's how you take it apart. Right here it has a connector, like so. Now the display is separate from the touchscreen. So this is how the display looks in case you need one for your device. Just so I don't scratch it, I'm gonna put it here. Now, I'm gonna take this away and try to take apart the good body shell one. Opening good. Yeah, the same types of screws. Okay, these screws are tightened compared to the other one. And honestly, even though it may take some extra time, I'm going to assemble that one back as well, so I don't lose parts anymore. Have the stylus on this one. Okay, keeping this antenna, of course. Very careful here. Oh wait, I forgot. I need to take the buttons out first of the keyboard. Poor guy or girl, whatever you are. Buttons, yeah. Decently clean. Can I take this part? Classical Nokia. I'll wait for that to stop and be right back. Well, that was fast, wasn't it? So, cleaning time. Well, even this one has some dust in it, but not as much as the other poor guy. Well, I've cleaned it and time to put it back together. Hopefully. It was an easy connection. I like it. Okay. Actually, I'm curious to see if it's locked or not. I don't even know if it is, but I hope it's not. And even if it is, if the smartphone functions work, I don't need it, so I can talk to it. Anyway, the 3G will disappear in about 3 years or 2, so well, here we have it finished. And it's good looking, kind of like myself. Where was the power? Here it is. Well, the screen is a bit cleaner. Still has scratches, but here, compare it to this one. Let's wait for it to boot up. Nice. You know what? I'm gonna leave it to English. Ooh, I think it accepted the SIM card since it auto updated the time and date. Nice. The battery is kind of almost dead. Still loading. Okay. Actually, let's do it more professional. Okay. Don't need this. Deleted. Let's turn the flash always on so I can make sure that it works. Battery low, eh? Dang it. Okay, the flash works. I think the previous owner tried to send some SMSs and no one cares. So now I have a functional one. Oh, come on. Well, I'm gonna have to change the battery and well, oops, and take it to my PC so I can format it. Be right back. Well, this may look weird, but this is the PC that I use for phones. And here I have this that I'm going to connect. The cable is not long enough for me to show you. PC Suite mode. Already it saw it here. What do you mean 0 contacts? It has contacts in. There are 249 contacts. Select all, delete all. Well, this may take a while, so 30% takes. I'll be right back. Okay, 0 contacts. I'm checking on the phone now. Oh, this is okay. A lot of this guy has some stuff on it, or gal. Either way, I'm formatting this thing because it's mine. Okay, I connected the keyboard. 875 pictures. Oh my god, dude. So Control A, Shift Delete. Yes. Get out of my phone. It's not yours anymore. Well, still some sort of formatting, and I just saw that the stupid thing, it's... Yeah, I didn't realize that it was auto-focusing. Well, time to take it out. Well, I'll just unplug the phone and that would be it. So here it is. Let's get back to the disk. Okay, so basically I formatted, deleted it. Why it won't delete these things? Settings, delete conversations, delete. This had better be all of them. Let's hear the ringtone. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's do a thumbnail. And like always, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself and all the best. Now I'm gonna put this in the showcase and start to put back together the other one so that I don't have parts all around here. Yeah. Alright, bye.